Hello folks. Welcome back to the third hackathon. So we are probably doing, I guess, fifth or sixth webinar of the month, and this is the third hackathon which we are doing of this particular month. Um, okay, so I'll also quickly brief you about the event which we are doing for this complete month. It's called Hack Call February, and this is the third hackathon of the month. We are giving away $40,000 in cash prize, and we are giving away job interviews at AI companies. We are giving away swags, and if you are someone who has participated in all the four hackathons and also are submitting a project, you might also land a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7, which is again 1,10,000 rupees of gift for you folks. So I just wanted to you know give an introduction to this third hackathon, which is an automate me if you can. Uh, we have like $3,000 plus of cash prizes for this particular hackathon. Accomplish AI is the sponsor of this complete hackathon, and yep. And so what we'll be doing here is we have two modes of contribution in this particular hackathon. One is that you can use Accomplish, and maybe you can automate a particular task in your real life, and you can just show us how you have automated that particular task using Accomplish AI, and you can win 10,000 rupees in Indian rupees. So for 10 winners. And then not only this, we have we always support open source contributions, and this is where Accomplish has also helped us, and they have created few issues on their GitHub repository wherein you can get started with open source and even get started with Accomplish and start contributing to the project. What's the process of complete contribution is that you'll get a label named fab_hackathon under the issues section of Accomplish GitHub repository. You can look at the issue. You can read about the project. Get a local install of the project and understand. And then maybe if you feel like you can contribute to that particular issue, please feel free to comment and maybe tag the maintainer and ask if they can assign the issue to you. You might have to complete the complete, let's say, work on the issue within this particular week, so that we can count you as an eligible person for the winning of that particular track. Now, we again will be choosing 10 winners who will be contributing to this particular open source or GitHub issues. So we have in total 20 winners to be selected in this particular hackathon, and we'll be giving away 10,000 to each person who will be winning. Uh, that's enough of me. I'm really sorry if my uh, video was not available, folks, because I had a power cut. It's back. You can see me at the end of the stream, but I'll be giving over the stage to Daniel. Daniel, you can you please take over?
Hey everyone, pleasure to be here. I'm Daniel. I'm an engineer from Accomplish, the first engineer of the company. I would like to show you today our product, a demo, explain what we do, what is the intuition, how to contribute to the repo and everything. So we are Accomplish. We are a US-based company that do computer use agent to improve automated workflows, to give you tools for non-developers, for developers, um, to improve your productivity. So the
Daniel,
product that you know.
I'm really sorry to cut you off. If you are sharing a screen, it's not visible to the folks.
Yeah, I'm not sharing it. We'll do it soon. Just
Can you
wanted
just
to give
quickly
a
share?
quick.
Okay,
Sorry.
okay, understood.
So Accomplish is an open source. We use a lot of open source like open code and dev browser. We really love the community. So when we saw Coworker going out, we decided to do an open source that you will be able to use all the providers locally on your computer, no browser. So I can share a quick demo of the product to show you how to work with, what are the skills and everything. So can you see my screen? Just making sure. Do you see the screen?
Yep. Then it's
Perfect.
visible.
Perfect.
You can
Perfect.
continue.
So this is Accomplish. This is the main page where you can initiate tasks. But I'll start with just the configuration, the setting page, to let you know how you can connect your provider. So as an open source and multi-provider, we have a lot of providers to connect. You can connect your OpenAI using an OAuth or your API key. You can connect your Anthropic and put your API key. You can run local models like Olema. A lot of possibilities. For this demo, we chose the Anthropic one, just to show you a bit. You can enter the debug mode here and download logs to see full debug mode for the application. We have the skills that we will talk about soon. And I want to show you a quick demo of two main capabilities that you can use our product to. The first one is browsing. It's computers, classic computers. Go and check my Google Calendar for tomorrow's meeting, draft a note, create a new Google Doc. So I might need to share my all screen for a sec because I want you to see the browser as well. But you can see the agent is planning. He knows how to do the verification at the end, what skills he's going to use, and then the magic happening. The agent is using computers to open the browser and start running an action on it. So as you can see here, Accomplish is running on the browser. He's reading the page, clicking, see the meetings I have tomorrow, starting to get all the data he needs. We have behind the scenes a lot of MCPs. We are using Dev Browser, which is a really cool open source that is way faster than Playwright, that help us navigate, click, write in the browser. You can see also the colors, which are saying you are running under the Accomplish automated flow. So we can see here that he gathered all the data. Now is trying to start in typing. He can correct himself, adding details, verification at the end. Everything super quick, super cool. You can see that the task and to-do list of the agent in the side. That also helps him plan and understand if he have done the work or not. So at the end, when the agent will finish everything, he will check the to-do list to see if he actually completed the work. We can let it finish. He updated to-dos. As you can see, the to-do right. We can see also the model it is running right now, the Cloud Opus. You can see the task is completed. Everything is done. And this is the first demo. Let me see if we have any question in the chat. Not yet. Okay, perfect. So this is a first demo of using a classic browser. You can automate your Gmail. You can open tasks, spreadsheet, everything you need. You do need to sign in to the account, but Accomplish asks you to sign it. If you are signed out of the browser, it will suggest you to sign yourself and let the agent know when you're done, and it will continue. So this is the first demo. The second one will be to show you how my desktop is looking right now. So a lot of files, as everyone knows, when you're working with Mac, you just screenshot and it's put on the desktop. When you play with Claude or Codex and you ask him to do a plan mode, he can create an MD file on the desktop. So a really nice use case is my desktop is messy. Please tidy it up. And then the second part of Accomplish is the file system. The first one we saw, it's computer use. You can run on the browser and do a lot of cool stuff. But you can also use Accomplish to run on your computer, to run on your file system, to organize, to create new files. So in this flow, you are reading. For example, here, he asked me, how do I want to organize the desktop? Group it by date, existing folder. So I would say by type file. And we also have a permission, a really good permission system that if you need to create a new file or move it, as you can see, it will ask me for permission to see the files, to allow or deny. And then we will see that the desktop will start to get organized, which is a really good feature. I'm doing it every day to help me navigate through my files, to help the different CLIs find all the documents and everything I need. So this is a really cool feature of the file system. And of course, you can combine those two flows. You can ask the agent to go to Gmail, go to go to the calendar, get all the meetings, summarize it, and then save it to the desktop and do stuff on the desktop. So you can combine those two to get the best of accomplish. I won't finish it because it's pretty long, because I have a lot of files, as you can see, but we already have a lot of files organized in the screenshot. The next feature I want to present, because as part of the hackathon, you want to automate stuff. And a really cool feature of all the models, the providers, is adding skills. So the agent will know a little bit better how to act on specific tasks. For example, when you go to Google Docs, to type in the doc is a bit different than type in a different screen or type the title. It's Canvas. So you can give a skill that will know how to type Canvas in Google Docs. So it's pretty cool. How you create skills or how you import skills. So we have a tab of skills. As you can see, we have a few examples here that you can use. You can import for GitHub because there's a lot of known skills in GitHub. You can upload a skill from the computer. And the cool feature is build it. So I'm gonna put a really simple one that is say bye, just to show the flow. Please say bye. And I'm creating a skill. Now we're using a different skill, which called skill creator, that will understand what we need. In this case, it's really easy. It's say bye, but you can ask him, please go to Zillow and automate how to search the best way in Zillow. For example, use URL query params and do not click on the filters. So it can ask you question, how do you want to do it? It will reiterate on the website. And at the end, as you can see, it's creating a new skill on your local computer that you will be able to use next time when you want to create a task, when you want to optimize a task. You can go to skills and actually see it. So it finished. And if we refresh, we can see say bye. And if we want to see the actual skill, we can see the skill created. This is the format of the skill, say bye. And the next time we will say bye, we could just use the skill of say bye. That way you can optimize your task and win the prize of the best automated. You can see here, skill say bye. So this is a really cool feature that will help you get the best result of any agent, regardless of accomplish or not. Using skills, it's a daily usage when you're a developer or non-developer. So I highly recommend doing it. No questions so far. Do you want me to continue to show the GitHub repo? Cool. I'll share my screen with the repo. So this is our official accomplished repo in GitHub. As you can see, we have almost 8,000 stars and 600 forks. But for this week, for this hackathon, the most important stuff is to know how to address an issue, open a PR, and run it. So we have here the label of February hackathon that at the end, if you want to win the prize, you have to open issues and address issues with Feb hackathon. Let's take an example. So we have here the description of the issue. We have the label, and we have you can open a PR and assign it to this issue. Let's just see a simple PR example. So in the PR, you will be able to use you will need an approval to run all the flows. So we will take care of it to approve the flow. So you will be able to run all the CI and see it pass. We have to be updated with main. So make sure that you resolve all the conflicts if you contribute. And of course, this is not only for this week. As you can see, we have a lot of ideas, a lot of issues, a lot of enhancements. So you can also contribute after this week. It will be great. And we are here to hear every suggestion, every improvement. This is the way open source community works, and we love it. So we are open to hear and merge any interesting PR. And you can run it pretty easily with pin-pm dev, pin-pm install, pin-pm dev, and this is the best way to contribute to the repo. Fork it locally, run it, open a PR, and that's it.
Yep. And thank you so much, Daniel, for explaining what Accomplish is, demoing, and also telling the folks how they can get started with Accomplish. Also, folks, like if you are someone who wants to get started with Accomplish and wants to stick even after the hackathon, I guess this is the right time. You can get started. You can learn what Accomplish is, and then you can continue contributing even after the hackathon finishes. I'm not sure if we can do this, Daniel. There is a question saying, folks are asking if, like, people are already working on the listed issues. Can we add more so that others can participate?
Of course, we will take care. If there is also something specifically interesting, you can also open issue and label it and get an idea. But we will try to add more issues. Of course, some people outside of this hackathon might be working on those issues. So if you see someone open a PR, it's not necessarily from the hackathon. But yeah, we will do it.
Sure. Okay, folks. So I guess we'll wrap this up quickly. If you haven't yet already registered for the hackathon, maybe visit to Women Devs, go to the Accomplish, or maybe Automate Me if you can hackathon page. You can register now. We have $3,000 to give away for this particular week, and also an opportunity for you folks to get started with open source plus Accomplish. Um, Daniel, any closing remarks?
No, it's pleasure to be here. I'm can't wait to see what you all contribute and automate it. This is really cool.
Yep. And folks, if you have any questions regarding Accomplish or while you take part in the hackathon, make sure you join the Discord channel of Accomplish. That is where you can ask all your questions. So again, Discord link can be found either on the Accomplish website, or you can also find it find it in the website of VMakeDevs, the page of Hackathon. There's one question. Uh, Daniel will take this last, and then maybe we can wrap up. Sounds okay for you?
Sure.
Yep. So for winning the hackathon, can we build something using Accomplish, or do we have to merge a PR? So there are two tracks. You can do both. Lan. So there is one track wherein you can build using Accomplish, and maybe record a video on how you have automated using Accomplish in or maybe a real world problem. Second track is wherein we have all the issues uh, opened with _hackathon label under Accomplish GitHub repo. You can go a little back in the webinar and you can see how you can contribute. Daniel has documented all of that for you. And so you can, take part in both the ways. I guess that was it. Thank you, Daniel, for joining, and all the best for the hackathon, folks. Bye.
Good luck, everyone.